Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to save a message thread as a PDF here in Basecamp, right? You actually have plenty of options, like you can export the entire project's data and then just locate the messages within the exported data folder. Or you can go ahead and copy the messages from the thread and then paste it to your PDF. Also, you can go ahead and take a screenshot of this specific message or messages, like maybe this one. Take a screenshot and add it into your PDF as well. So the first option, you can go ahead and go to Home, Admin Land, scroll all the way down and click on Export Data from this account. Okay, select this specific project and click on Export My Data. Once that's done, just wait for it, as Basecamp is bundling your data. And here it says, here's your Basecamp export. Just click on Download My Export, save it wherever you want. Let's go ahead and check it out right here. Extract. There you go. This is the project. Locate the specific tool, which is maybe messages right here. As you can see, every thread is in here. Okay. Another option may be chats. There you go. You can just double click on it. You can open this one as a PDF, but unfortunately, I don't have a PDF reader right here. Okay. This is how it looks like. Now, the other option is pretty basic. You can just go ahead and go to the message like so. Copy the entire thread if you want to. Right click and copy and paste this one to your PDF. Okay. Or you can go ahead and open up snipping tool right here. Click on it. Take a screenshot. Then right click and copy and paste this one to your PDF. All right. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.